Google I/O 2025 wasn't just another developer conference. It was a declaration. Google didn't just update its apps. It unveiled a new blueprint for the future of the internet, creativity, and reality itself. Forget incremental updates. We're talking about AI that sees your world, a movie studio in a text box, and a search engine that's more of a conversation with a genius. Today, we're breaking down the 5 biggest, most game-changing announcements from Google I/O 2025 that you absolutely need to know about. Let's get into it. First up, the brain behind it all, Gemini. Google announced Gemini 2.5 Pro and Flash, making its core models faster and smarter. But the real headline was a new feature called Deep Think. This allows the AI to pause and reason through multiple steps before answering complex questions, making it feel less like a chatbot and more like a human expert. But the one more thing moment that dropped everyone's jaw was Project Astra. Astra is Google's vision for a universal AI assistant. And when I say universal, I mean it. Using your phone's camera, Astra can see, hear, and understand the world around you in real time. In a mind-blowing demo, a user pointed their phone at a bike they were trying to fix. Astra not only identified the bike parts but also browsed the web to find the instruction manual, scrolled to the exact section on brakes, and even found a specific YouTube video showing how to fix a stripped screw. But it gets crazier. The user then asked Astra to call the nearest bike shop to see if they had a specific part. The AI made the call in the background while continuing to help the user with other tasks. This is true agentic AI, not just finding information, but taking action on your behalf. This is the future of personal assistance, and it's happening now. For every creator, filmmaker, and artist, this next one is a game changer. Google officially launched Veo 3, its most advanced AI video generator, and it's a direct shot at competitors like OpenAI's Sora. What makes Veo 3 so special? 2 words: native audio. Unlike other models, Veo 3 can generate 1080p video complete with synchronized dialogue, sound effects, and background music, all from a single prompt. This has already unleashed a wave of new viral content, from hyper-realistic ASMR videos to the now famous Bigfoot vlogs you've probably seen all over social media. But a tool is only as good as its workshop. That's why Google also unveiled Flow, an AI-powered creative studio. Flow is a single workspace that combines Veo for video, Imagen 4 for images, and Lyria 2 for music. It's an end-to-end production suite that lets you weave together cinematic scenes with full control over characters and style, turning a simple idea into a polished final product. The barrier to high-quality video creation just got obliterated. For over 2 decades, Google has been a list of blue links. That era is officially over. The third massive announcement is the rollout of AI Mode in Google Search, a total reimagining of Google's core product. AI Mode turns search into an interactive, conversational experience. You can ask long, complex questions, and instead of just getting links, you get a synthesized answer, complete with images, videos, and data visualizations created on the fly. And it's powered by agentic capabilities. A feature called Deep Search can perform thorough research on complex topics for you. Search Live integrates Project Astra, letting you use your camera to ask questions about what you see in the real world. And soon, it will be able to take action for you, like booking restaurant reservations or buying event tickets directly from the search results. They're even revolutionizing online shopping. You can now virtually try on clothes by uploading a photo of yourself and ask the AI to track the price of a product and even purchase it for you when it hits your target budget. This isn't just search anymore, it's a personal concierge for the entire internet. Google didn't forget about the people building the future. For developers, the big news is that Project IDX has officially evolved into Firebase Studio. Firebase Studio is a cloud-based, AI-powered workspace designed to build full-stack applications from start to finish. You can start with a simple text prompt, a drawing, or even import a design directly from Figma, and the AI will generate a functional app prototype with a user interface and underlying code. But the real leap forward is an autonomous AI coding agent named Jules. Jules goes beyond simple code suggestions. It's an agent designed to understand your intent and perform complex coding tasks on its own, like writing unit tests, fixing bugs, and managing dependencies. This is the next evolution of development, a true collaboration where the AI isn't just an assistant, but a code developer working alongside you. Finally, Google gave us a glimpse of where all this AI will live, on our faces and in our rooms. They showcased a prototype of their new Android XR smart glasses. These aren't the bulky headsets of the past. They're sleek glasses that bring Gemini's intelligence directly into your line of sight. Imagine getting real-time language translation, walking directions overlaid on the street in front of you, or asking your AI assistant about an object just by looking at it, all hands-free. And to make our digital communication feel more human, Google unveiled Project Beam. This is a groundbreaking 3D video calling platform. Using an array of cameras and advanced AI, Beam creates a realistic, 3D light field projection of the person you're talking to. It tracks head movements with millimeter precision at 60 frames per second, creating a deeply immersive and natural conversational experience that makes you feel like you're in the same room. It's the sci-fi video call we've always been promised, finally becoming a reality. So there you have it. 5 monumental announcements that signal a clear and aggressive strategy from Google. From a universal AI assistant in Project Astra and a creative revolution with VO3, to the reinvention of search, the automation of coding with Firebase Studio, and the new hardware frontier with XR glasses and 3D calling. The message from Google I/O 2025 is undeniable. The age of AI is here, and Google plans to embed its intelligence into every facet of our digital and physical lives. What announcement blew your mind the most? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI deep dives.